The importance of the coniferous forest is that the trees that you can find in there produce most of the lumber used for homes and furniture, and also they produce steady supply for oxygen into the atmosphere through photosynthesis. Conifers survive through short growing seasons better than trees that shed their leaves, which makes them well suited to the growing conditions in the Rocky Mountain West. Many species of Wyoming wildlife utilize the habitat provided by coniferous forests.
We are going to take two examples, the bear and the bobcat. What are they having in common? They share a lot of characteristics. One of them is a fur that covers them to protect it from the varieties of temperature, and other characteristic is the claws that they have to kill their prey to obtain their food, because the plants there can produce food for all the animals.
Hi, I'm Luis Salinas, and I'm going to talk to you about the climate in coniferous forests. Coniferous forests exist all around the world, so the climate depends on their location. There are three types of coniferous forests. The temperate coniferous forest that has plenty of rainfall, cool winters and hot summers. Then is the tropical coniferous forest. They are very humid. Their climate is very humid. Is what differentiates it for the other coniferous forest. And then is the boreal coniferous forest. It has extremely cold winters and also has extremely hot summers. That is all for the climate. Thank you.
Some of the animals that live in this environment are the moose, the reindeer, the deer. There are also some squirrels, some rabbits, and these ones are eaten by some predators like the wolf, the bear, some lynxes, and there are also some eagles. As we can see, they share some characteristics like that they adapt to the cold temperatures and also to the rainy climate. So that's why they live in the same environment.
The coniferous forest is most located in major degree in the north and south of Baja California, along the Sierra Madre Occidental and Oriental, in the Eje Neovolcánico, the Tierra Norte of Oaxaca, and in the south of Chiapas. In altitudes between 2,000 and 3,000 meters, the coniferous forest occupies 16% of the Mexican territory.
Main causes of contamination in the coniferous forest. One of the main pollutants for the coniferous forest is the excessive logging for the obtainment of land for buildings or highways, and this is decreasing the natural habitats of the animals. Therefore, they must go down to the cities to live or get food, and this change and affect to the ecosystem, provoking the imbalance of the food chain. Another threat to the coniferous forest is the pollution of air. Nowadays, there are many factories that pollute all the ecosystem by throwing chemical waste into rivers. And they release a lot of pollutants to the air, and this is damaging to the forest because the trees can clean all the air.
Some of the animals that are in danger of extinction in this ecosystem are the woodland caribou, the grizzly bear, or the spotted owl. Most of them share some characteristics like that they have important parts in their body, like its fur, and also that they are used for recreative hunting. So maybe we should stop this to avoid these species to get extinct.